In this article, we'll provide practical tips on how to maintain Rockford windows and doors for long-term durability, ensuring that they continue to perform at their best throughout the years. Regular cleaning to prevent buildup. Dirt, dust, and grime can accumulate on your windows and doors over time, especially if you live in an area with higher levels of air pollution or near construction zones. Regular cleaning will help keep your windows and doors looking new, prevent potential damage, and maintain optimal performance. Windows. To clean your windows, use a mild detergent mixed with water and a soft cloth or sponge. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive tools, as they can scratch the glass and damage the frames. For glass windows, apply a glass cleaner to maintain clarity and remove any streaks. Don't forget to clean the window sills and tracks to prevent dust buildup, which can hinder smooth operation. Doors. If your Rockford doors are made of wood, use a damp cloth to wipe away dust and dirt. Wooden doors may also need to be polished with wood-safe furniture polish to keep the finish looking pristine. Fiberglass and steel doors can be cleaned with a soft cloth and mild detergent to remove dirt and stains. Pay special attention to the door frame and hardware, as dirt and moisture can cause rust or corrosion over time. Regular cleaning helps maintain the aesthetic appearance of your windows and doors while keeping them free of contaminants that could lead to damage. Inspect and reseal gaps and cracks. Over time, seals and weather stripping around windows and doors can deteriorate, allowing air leaks and moisture to enter your home. This can lead to higher energy costs, drafts, and water damage. It's important to inspect the seals and weather stripping regularly and replace them when necessary. Windows. Inspect the caulking around the edges of the window frame to ensure it's still intact. If you notice any gaps or cracks, remove the old caulk and apply a fresh layer to prevent drafts and water infiltration. For windows with weather stripping, check that the material is still intact and replace any sections that show signs of wear or damage. Doors. Check the weather stripping around your doors to ensure a tight seal. If you notice any gaps, it's important to replace the weather stripping to maintain the door's energy efficiency and to prevent cold or warm air from entering your home. For entry doors, ensure the threshold is secure and free of gaps. Resealing doors and windows helps maintain a comfortable indoor temperature and protects your home from moisture damage. Lubricate hardware and moving parts. If you have sliding windows or doors with moving parts, they can become stiff or difficult to operate over time. To keep them functioning smoothly, you should lubricate the tracks and hardware periodically. Windows. For sliding windows, clean the tracks and apply a silicone-based lubricant to ensure smooth sliding. Avoid using oil-based lubricants, as they can attract dust and grime. For hinged windows, apply a small amount of lubricant to the hinges to keep them operating smoothly. Doors. Similarly, lubricate the hinges of your doors to prevent them from squeaking or sticking. If your patio doors or sliding doors are hard to open, clean the tracks and apply lubricant to keep them sliding smoothly. For entry doors, make sure the locks and latches are well maintained to ensure easy locking and unlocking. Regular lubrication of moving parts extends the life of your Rockford windows and doors, preventing unnecessary wear and tear. Protect against harsh weather conditions. The weather in Rockford can be quite extreme, with freezing winters, scorching summers, and occasional storms. Protecting your windows and doors from harsh weather conditions can help prevent damage and ensure their longevity. Windows. In winter, consider applying storm windows or plastic sheeting to provide an extra layer of insulation against the cold. For impact-resistant windows, check the glass for any cracks or chips that may have been caused by debris or stormy weather. In summer, make sure your windows are equipped with UV filters or low-E glass to block heat and protect your interiors from fading. Doors. For entry doors, consider installing a storm door to protect the main door from the elements and improve energy efficiency. Wooden doors should be periodically treated to prevent warping or cracking from moisture exposure, while steel or fiberglass doors can be more resilient but still require regular inspection for signs of damage. Protecting your windows and doors from the effects of extreme weather helps maintain their durability and prevents costly repairs. Professional inspections and repairs. Even with regular maintenance, your Rockford windows and doors may need professional attention from time to time. Professional inspections can identify hidden issues that may not be visible to the naked eye, such as moisture damage, rot, or frame deterioration. Windows. A professional can inspect your windows for seal failure, broken glass, or any structural damage. They will also be able to replace or repair damaged weather stripping, seals, or locks. Doors. Professionals can help with issues such as misaligned frames, broken hardware, or weather-related damage that may not be immediately apparent. They can also check for drafts or areas where the door's weatherproofing has worn down and needs replacement. Scheduling a professional inspection every few years can help keep your windows and doors in optimal condition for long-term performance. Conclusion. Long-term durability starts with regular maintenance. Maintaining your Rockford windows and doors is essential for ensuring their long-term durability and functionality. By following these maintenance tips, including regular cleaning, resealing, lubrication, and protecting against weather, you can extend the life of your windows and doors and ensure they continue to perform at their best. Regular inspections and professional care can also help identify issues early, preventing costly repairs and ensuring that your windows and doors continue to enhance your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and security.